village.
Oh, you gotta watch your step here.
Yeah, and
It's very sunny, very hot.
it's nice to dress the way the locals dress.
Yeah, today, so you can see we are localized.
We're localized.
Because yesterday I was walking around in my tracksuit top and tracky bottoms, and people just looking at like, who the hell is this guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. People are looking at us now as well.
Yeah.
With the weirdos like with the camera, because I think this village is so natural. People that actually live in it, they just literally stay in their village. They don't really go out much. So we kind of, stick out like a sore thumb.
We do. But, you know, we landed yesterday. It was a long 24 hours.
Yeah.
But you know what? I gotta say that the authenticity of the village is still here.
Going to our cousin's house to eat.
Everything is authentic, everything is simple. You know, life is just, and there's no distractions. You just want to get away and just revitalize.
Yeah.
This is exactly the place to be. And it's very quiet today because it's a Friday, which is like a weekend holiday, because I'm sure like many Muslim countries out there,
it's the same, isn't it?
you know,
Friday
and
is a Sunday.
is your weekend,
Yep.
and then you're working from Sunday to Thursday.
Yep. So
And
today
everyone
is a
has-
Sunday.
Yeah.
So today is the Sunday equivalent.
Basically,
And so yeah, I went to pray earlier. Friday prayers takes about 15-20 minutes. And now we're going to my cousin's house to eat, relax for a bit, and then chill.
yeah, this house is the most real it's gonna get, basically.
Yeah, we're going to show
Very
you
simple
some
living.
proper dishes.
So we'll show you how people look like, and it's something that you would never see normally because Irfan's relatives live here. Not many tourists come to this location.
Right.
So
We'll show you what the real
something that you would probably never see.
before.
So here we are, guys. A simple living. This is a truck that his relative uses. I think his uncle, to sell jalebis.
Jalebi and milk cart. We're going to try some later, hopefully.
Yes. There's baby goats in the garden. Just chilling.
And this is the one that dances.
Oh, this is my favourite one. Hello, Pumpkin. Hello. Hiya. My favourite. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Ding 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 ding. It's like a storage. Let's give you a tour. So basically all the pipe systems here, is that right?
Yeah.
Or the water system. So that looks like it's an oven burner of some sort.
This is the basically heater for the hot water.
Oh my
It's
god.
a wood fire one.
Oh, so we have a different one,
We
don't
have
we?
an electric one. This is a wood fire one. So basically, you put the wood at the bottom, burn it up, and that fills up with water, right? And then when that boils up, you basically look at the pipe system. You can see connected to the red taps and the other taps. So it's hot water.
Hello, got a little 3-day-old baby goat sniffing my feet. Hello. Then we've got a traditional toilet. This is what the toilets are. If you've never been to Asia or anywhere like Middle East, you definitely would have seen one of these toilets. What do you call them, Irfan? Squat toilets. And then Fish. Oh yeah. Traditional style gas pipe. It's fresh. Uh-oh. This is what you clean the house with. Everyone is chilling like a villain. You got stairs going up. Stairs going. Oh, you just got like little goats everywhere. Like, hey. And stairs going up to the roof.
Can we have a look?
Now the thing is, in Pakistan, you can generally see what's going on next door. Like literally. So these are the views. Beautiful. Storage room. Got like a little storage room here where they just keep things.
Oh, some people got solar panels now.
Oh yeah. And then this is someone else's roof, isn't it? You can normally see what's going on, but the way they've done their roofs, quite private, which is quite nice. What a lovely house. Just incredible. We are so lucky that we've got houses in like places like this. It's the most remote places that you can find in Pakistan. Yes, we're quite close to the Islamabad city, but we're actually in a proper village now called Telegang, which is near Chakwal.
Yeah. Well, the actual village name that we're in is called Akwal, which is on the outskirts of a small town called Telegang. Yeah. And the borough, you can say, is, so you can see my eyes, the borough is Chakwal. So that's basically how it's split down. It's similar to like, you've got boroughs, and you've got towns, and you've got little villages on the outskirts. So kind of similar to England, isn't it really?
I'm in love with this village. If you ever get a chance to experience the real side of Pakistan, definitely delve into one of the villages that are the main touristy city spots. Everyone's really friendly, so they'll invite you in, you can have dinner.
Yeah.
They'll be funny
I
enough.
think they're more intrigued, they'll be more intrigued than anything. Because even, I mean, you can clearly tell that we're not from Iran, it's just the way we look, kind of dress
Well,
a little
the way that he beard is shaven.
Yeah, that's
you can just tell straight away with the sunglasses that he has.
Yeah, I think, and it's just like people walk past, they're just intrigued because no one from outside comes around here because you just really know who you are.
Yeah.
So when you do come in, it's more like people looking at you and stuff. It's not like, why are you looking at me? It's more like, oh, who's this guy?
Yeah, it's not nothing bad. There's this guy that literally sits there every single day when we walk past. So this is the call-up prayer right now. It's a Friday. Everybody's gonna get himself to the mosque.
I've had a quick change. The electricity was off this morning when we woke up, so there was no hot water, no electricity for kettles, but we had a gas cooker, so that was good. So hence my clothes are a bit creased.
Can't tell. I think you can tell.
But the electricity's come back on literally just now, so there's been a rush to get the water available in the house. I'm going to show you what we have to do for that. So we've just turned the motor on downstairs.
Yeah.
We'll show you where that is, which in turn pumps water from the ground into this. And so what should happen is you should hear water running up here. So now we know that water's not running up here, so something's wrong. So let's see. We've turned two valves off.
I'm gonna have to call the real engineer because this guy doesn't know what he's doing. You sounded very confident.
I did.
With you.
I was confident before. Maybe I haven't turned the motor on properly.
Maybe. I think you've done it. What did you do?
It was the wrong switch was turned on. You can hear the water coming into the pump. Yeah. So what you need to do, what's going to happen is there's a tank upstairs, right? That fills up with water. There's a massive tank, right? And that basically gives water to the whole house. So whenever you turn the taps on, the water just flows through. When you're filling that tank up, there's an overflow. So that then starts flowing down this pipe here. So when this starts giving water out, what you need to do is turn the pump off. So it doesn't start filling up again more, because that will just carry on overflowing. So then what you do, turn this switch off. Very safe switch. Turn that off.
Looks very safe and all,
Very
mate.
safe. Look, that's the electricity to the pump.
It looks very safe.
Yeah, exactly. It's just like electrical.
This is health and safety in Pakistan, by the way, guys. This is as safe as it gets.
That's it.
You know, at least everything is compact in a box and it's not like wires everywhere.
Might get him to actually like put a box here.
Yeah, that's what.
Right.
Just get a box like you do in England.
Yeah, and then just flick on and off in it. Results. We're getting there.
Everyone's a little nervous, but
It's a bit intimidating though, isn't it? I think it's the stairs when you walk up and down the street and everyone's literally